Good morning. It's raining on our cruise and no sun, and we've had a medical emergency with someone else on the ship that has to be life flighted out by a helicopter, so we had to turn around and then the helicopter's coming in about 15-20 minutes to pick them up. So far this cruise is not turning out the way we had planned, but you know, we're going to try to make the best of it. Maybe we can go see the helicopter come in for some entertainment. We'll see, hopefully. Hopefully the person is okay and then get them to where they need to go and get better. So we wish them well, but yeah, the cruise is not happening the way I planned. I need some sunshine now. Okay, might as well go work out. Hi, are we happy? Where's the sunshine, Jules? You promised me sunshine. I blame you. I blame you. Okay, let's go work out. This is probably the only sunshine we're gonna see is on the big Jumbotron. So on our way to the gym, the helicopter showed up to pick up the sick person. Of course, everybody wanted to see it up close, but nowhere near the helipad was open for safety reasons to passengers. Anyway, the helicopter picked up the sick person. We didn't get to see it, but our ship turned around and continued on to its final destination. So we were going to go to the gym, but then the gym was closed because they didn't want everybody out looking for the helicopter, so we decided to eat instead. Now we go to the gym.
Hi, this is Jules, your cruise director. Let me draw your attention to the life-size iPod. What to do right now? How about shoot yourself? It's freezing. Do you want to go fun in the sun with the vibes? I don't think so. There's no sun. Boogie boarding on the flowrider, you would fly right off the deck. We might have to go to the casino. I don't know.
Or ice skating.
Ice skating.
Okay, so where are we going?
Is the band? Oh, I see sun. Hold on.
It's actually raining. Think of it this way, you'll never get sweaty, you'll always have a nice breeze, and you're getting sprints right now.
It's a warm 50-mile-an-hour wind.
Where'd our sunshine go? It's so windy it's blowing my camera. Cheers. Here's to the monsoon winds. It's not a good hair day today. Come on, we're going to be late for the Michael Jackson Thriller dance competition. Hurry, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. Round up. Jules is learning Thriller dance. I don't have natural rhythm other than being a DJ. So I'm sitting this one out. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So how was it dancing?
It was awesome. Ice skating.
Jules, you need long pants. Well, we were going to go ice skating, but it requires long pants and a helmet, so Jules said no. Next, let's go to the gym, I guess.
There's a sign I like to see. Scale that's out of service.
And we went all the way to the gym, got on the treadmills, and then what, Jules?
And then the sun came out.
Are you putting your bikini on? This is nuts. Here's the 5 minutes of sun. All right, it's 5:40? We got about
5:40.
We got 5 minutes to make it to dinner, formal night.
Formal night.
We actually got what, an hour of sun?
2 hours.
2 hours. Nice. Okay, we'll take it.
We'll take it.
All right. Happy anniversary again. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Shabby shake. You ready? Wow, look at that. That's cool looking. Yeah? Cheers.
Formal night, a little windy.
Okay.
But warm.
I'm the king of the world. It's very dark. Yeah, let's go out to the front.
And the salad, the Roman salad.
Here we go. Cheers, happy anniversary.
Cheers, happy anniversary.
I got the fruit plate. What'd you get?
I got the Roman salad or whatever.
What is this? Snapper? Wow, that looks good. What'd you get?
Oh, I got the beef tenderloin.
Yum.
Oh,
How was dinner?
It's fabulous.
Fabulous dinner. Let's go meet the captain, shall we?
Okay.
Hiya! Okay, now we going down the grand ball staircase.
But everybody was like showtime!
Okay, the show was good. How was the dancing?
Dancing was good.
And the singing? Awesome.
Fabulous.
Yes, good job.
What can make me feel? You sound great with my girl, my girl, my girl. Talking about my girl.
Okay,
That's a wrap.
Did you have fun dancing?
Yeah, I did. It's midnight.
Okay, till tomorrow.
Baby.
Good night.
Ah.